Hey guys, we're out in Columbia, Illinois today doing a house that is one of our neighbors in our subdivision, and we're taking care of her now, and her and her husband, and they're excited. They have a living room area. They had their little puppy, and the puppy had some accidents, and of course they gave us a call to come clean it and take care of the contamination that the puppy left of urine. So they looked online, saw reviews, and realized, hey, wait a minute, Ryan's our neighbor, and gave me a call and booked on the spot. So, all right, guys, they did say that I was #1 rated, and they liked my videos and everything that I offered, and they really love the content. So that's why I do this, guys, is when clients tell me they love my content and the valuable information it brings, and just kind of gives them a snapshot what to expect, and that I have the top-notch equipment to take care of the homes. They love that. So that's how we do, guys. You can also find us online, of course, AOCleaning.com, and we always come with a full stock van to accommodate all the client's needs, whether it's carpet, tile and grout cleaning and sealing, upholstery, area rugs, and of course we have another division of vans for our hardwood division, and of course our duct cleaning as well. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. Let me show you guys what we're doing here. It's going good.
Awesome, good to hear.
So we got already pre-treated, already agitating, and got the urine salts emulsifying. And now we got Bridget agitating the carpet with our handy dandy trusty CRB. It's going good, guys. And that's another tip, guys. You guys know if we used our process, the CRB lifts the pile up and resets it so it could be in the highest state possible. So it also gets all the sides of the fibers. All right, guys. All right, guys, we're sanitizing and steaming it out now. Getting it back to the original state. You guys know what time it is. Carpets are responding well. This is a polyester carpet, contractor grade. This is a cleaning and restoration service with a pet decontamination. Getting the carpets hygienic, #1. #2, getting it back where it looks great. Look at that steam there, guys. It's about 212 degrees right now. You guys are doing well. Beautiful. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up. Thanks for watching. It's on YouTube soon.
Okay.
You guys, I'm seeing it out now, and my neighbor and client Chad said he loves it, right, Chad?
I do. It looks so much better.
Awesome. I'll just explain to him how we can get it, back to the original state. He's excited, and he actually was asking about duct cleaning. That's also crucial for a healthy indoor environment. And of course, you guys know we do that as well, and we recommend that every 7 years on average. Or, as you guys know, if you have a baby, already having your remodeling done. But another happy client. See you guys in the next one. Stay clean. AOCleaning.com.